Here's how I made this custom ordered Halloween themed notebook from scratch. Okay, so this isn't actually Halloween themed. The client's favorite color combination is just orange and black. It also happens to be the color combination of their town's branding and their high school's branding and their high school's logo and mascot. And I know that because it was my high school and my hometown. And yeah, that means the client is my stepmom. And I know what you're thinking. Orange and black is her favorite color, Halloween themes? Is she some kind of witch? And the answer to that question is yes, she is. But not in the way that you think a stepmom would be a witch. You know, I think sometimes people think it's like an evil stepmom kind of thing. And while there certainly are some evil stepmoms that are heinous witches, my stepmom is not a heinous witch. She's one of the cool witches that will have some kind of crazy experiment running, and ultimately it ends up being a super good time, as opposed to the kind of witch who will lure you in with cookies and then try to bake you in her oven and eat you. But because I think this is kind of a witchy Halloween themed notebook, I think she's probably going to put some of her secret spells and secret potion recipes in here, which I'm super honored that she would use my notebook as one of her spell books. So I am more than happy to be spending the time making this for her because it was a great experience, and hopefully she'll come up with some cool spells to put in it. And it's done. So this is actually the first time I've used this kind of book cloth. I really like the texture on it. I like the spine material on this one too. This is basically just a latex coated paper that I used, and it still looks decently premium without the premium price tag, so that is kind of nice. We have matching orange marbled paper to go on the inside, and I really like this one. 3 bookmarks as always, and this notebook actually has version 2 of my dot grid on the inside. I reworked my dot grid so that it has the midpoint indicators on the top and sides, and then also some margins so you get the exact number of dots on every single page. And I think it just looks a little bit cleaner and nicer when you have that margin. Of course, I add my label on the front, and now it's time to get it in the mail, get it sent out. Thanks for watching.